Hello everyone. Today we will see Cypress 13 installation. So Cypress version 13 installation we will do today. Okay. Open the Visual Studio Code. So I'm opening new window. Just we can create a project here. Go to Explorer. Normally I'll create the projects under C drive. So create one folder. Just put Cypress version 13 project. Okay. Open folder. Version 13 project. Launch it. So this is the folder structure. See, before no, before installation, you should know, right? So create one file no, here. Okay. So before that, what I'll do? Okay. So you all should know, right? So before installation of the Cypress, there should be mandatory Visual Studio Code IDE we are using and Node.js. Go to Control panel and check Node.js is available or not. See here. See Node.js. Node.js, we should have installed Node.js. There should be a Node.js available in our system. So this is a precondition. Okay, this is a Node.js is a runtime environment. Okay, now so launch terminal. Just initialize the project npm. Initialize it. Node package manager we are installing. Okay, npm. So the package name Cypress version description Cypress version 13 testing. Okay. So I can give offer. Yes. So now you can see, right, package.json appear here, and the information whatever we have done now it comments it here. So package.json is nothing but it is a part of the Node.js. So the installation, the setups, everything will come and sit here package.json. Okay. Now install Cypress. npm install Cypress hyphen save hyphen dev. So it should go and sit on the dev dependencies. Means locally. So latest version is Cypress, right? It will install the latest version. Okay. It will take some time. Let it install. Okay, it got installed now. And it is a packages got installed. Now check node -v. I'm checking the versions. See node version 19 is it? npm -v. So when you do node.js now, automatically npm will get installed. Okay. Node package manager will get installed. Everything is under node.js environment. Now npx cypress -v. Can you check? See 13 version, 13.6 version got installed. Huh? And see, once if it is installed, you can see two package log.json file and node modules. These are the modules you can see. Packages got installed. So pre-packed, you can see. Now npx cypress open, just open. So if once this, when you open the Cypress, no, Cypress is nothing but so we can see it's a console. It opens in the browser. Once if it is open, you will get the project setup here. Okay. So I am canceling it. For now, I have not created any Git repository for this project. That's why I canceled it. Just continue. Mm. Okay, this one, no. Scaffold examples means so it will give few existing examples. See who are new to Cypress, no? So they are giving Cypress is like making users to uh, use these test cases as reference. They can use these test cases and they can execute it. See, even if you click it, it will start executing it. Means predefinedly, they are giving few test cases as examples for the users who are using the Cypress. See, right now, see here Cypress under end-to-end, you can see right. So there are some scaffold examples. So they have given some examples. Based on these examples, they can use it and they can see if they can open, they can see how they are writing the test cases. So some examples who are new to Cypress one, they can go, they can take this as reference and they can test it. Okay. So Cypress opens in the browser console. It's a Cypress test runner, we can say, or browser console. I hope this video is very helpful, guys. Thank you.